Hey guys, so today we are going to learn how to use the /BOSSBAR command. So to get started, you need to do /BOSSBAR, add, then one, then name. You need to put these two weird symbols, put two double quotes, and inside of those double quotes you type text, then colon, and then two double quotes again. Single quote won't work, so you need to make sure you're using these double quotes. So inside you can type the name of the boss bar. So like say Cubes MC. And because I've been playing on this world longer, I already added a boss bar, so make it number 2. Now we can do /BOSSBAR set Minecraft 2, then players, let's loot to 84. And you can see your boss bar. Now you can also change some more things like style. You can do that, and you can do color purple, and then you can also do some not name max 5, and then you can do value, change it to anything you want, and make sure it's smaller than the max. So yeah, that's what you can do with BOSSBAR. Now the other command, get Minecraft 2 max, it will just show the maximum and the value. And there's another command, list. So there are 2 custom boss bars active. And this one is the one we made. And you can see it up there. So that's how you make boss bars. And now the next command is remove from Minecraft 2. It just gets rid of that boss bar. Let's create it again. So yeah, I created our boss bar again. Now the last command, /BOSSBAR set. This one's easy. Just type in your ID, then you can change all of these information. Like you can change the players who can see the boss bar. Value, you can change how much the boss bar is complete. Visible, you can make the boss bar visible and invisible. You can change the color to yellow or any color you want. And you can do style. You can do different styles like that. Okay, so bye guys. Please subscribe to Cube MC, and I'll be back in another video. Bye.